There's no other word to describe this crockpot Creole chicken than yum! This recipe is just exploding with delicious flavors, yet it is very simple and easy to make. Into a slow cooker, add the chicken, green bell pepper, celery, bay leaves, dried thyme, dried basil, dried oregano, salt, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, green onions, Worcestershire sauce, dried tomatoes, tomato paste, ham, and hot pepper sauce. Mix them all together until well combined. Now cover and cook for 5 hours on low setting, and after, turn it to the high setting. Add in the polished sausages and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the sausages are heated through. Serve it with mashed potatoes on the side, and don't forget to garnish it with chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.